Airtel is the latest and 11th domestic listed company on Uganda Securities Exchange following today's initial public offering. Capital Markets Authority has showed faith in the listing as 8 billion ordinary shares representing 20% of the company's equity is issued. This brings up to 2 telecom companies on the exchange, adding extra weight to the capital markets that's seeking extra growth and prominence.
The company has over 14.3 million subscribers with a countrywide network of over 146 districts. So we're delighted to acknowledge Airtel Uganda's decision to extend an opportunity for others to partake in its journey of achievement by offering shares to the public and eventually listing on the Uganda Securities Exchange after 6 weeks. This will bring the total number of companies listed to 11 after the issuance of the 8 billion shares. I think it's a significant opportunity for Ugandans to invest in a leading company and to contribute to the development of Uganda's capital markets.
Company Managing Director Manoj Murali and Public Relations Personnel David Birungi have attributed the listing, where priority has been given to local investors and customers, to the success in the global system for mobile business, coupled by the progressive economic stance. While IPOs seek liquidity to company founders and primary investors, Birungi presents it as an opportunity for local participants.
The scale and progression of Airtel Uganda's growth and the exciting prospects for the Ugandan economy have set the stage for this IPO, the completion of which will fulfill the requirement that the company list on the USE by the end of this year. The initial public offer or IPO will see up to 8 billion existing ordinary shares of the company, representing up to 20% of the company made available, and the value of this will be 800 billion shillings. The size of the offering is in keeping with the regulatory requirements of the USE and a demonstration of our commitment for supporting the development of the Ugandan stock markets.
We believe that the IPO is one way of allowing Ugandans to participate in this success. And the IPO is here. We promise that we'll be able to do that. And the IPO is going to give an opportunity to Ugandans without a differentiation from across the spectrum.
In the national telecom operator license that was issued to the company in July 2020, running until June 2040 by Uganda Communications Commission, going public through an IPO was mandatory, just as it was with the renewal of MTN Uganda's license that saw listing on the exchange in 2021. Concern has always come forth with the undersubscription, a factor Paul Wiso highlighted.
This is a new opportunity for investment on the exchange. IPOs are always looked at in Uganda with mixed feelings, majorly because some have performed very well, others have had challenges, others have performed well, but in terms of secondary market trading, have not reacted to price as many people do expect. I'll just make one clarity. The company is listing 40 billion shares on the exchange and offering 20% to the public.
With the all-share index market capitalization standing at 16.6 trillion shillings and the local market capitalization at 7.2 trillion, addition of the telecom giant on the exchange is considered extra mileage as the exchange anticipates growth beyond the 11 local companies so far. Ivan Tivenkana, SMART24TV, Business Today.